know when you happen to be with perhaps a male, your partner, your husband, and he's like,
baby, I just want to rub my fingers through your hair.
And you're like, no! Don't touch my weave, because you know you can feel the tracks and things like that. But with this full lace, you can just rub his fingers all the way. Look at it. It's so smooth. Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. This is actually a full lace wig. You can purchase this at thebosslook.com, www.thebosslook.com. I've actually customized this. I've colored it, and I've plucked and it is a 2-part video. Part 1 will be how I installed it onto my head using a couple things that you would have to wait and see. Part 2 was then how I styled it in all different styles, because remember, it's a full lace. It's a full lace. So I did a few different styles that you guys can achieve. So let's get into it. The first thing I like to do is cut off the lace from the back of the wig. When that's all done, I'm going to make sure that it fits my head. This wig is actually a bit too big for me, so what I'm going to do is take in the back. So using the straps at the back, secure the wig so it fits your head perfectly. There will be a loop left at the back, and we're going to be sewing that together like so. When that is complete, it should look something like this, and all you have to do is simply cut off that section. Now, the installation. So guys, this is the first time I will be using Got To Be. I'm not really sure about it. I've never used it before, but I've seen quite good results from using it, so I'm going to give it a go today for you guys. So the first step I'm doing is basically lining up the wig, and now I'm going to apply one layer of Got To Be to my sides. Ignore the sirens in the background because I am a criminal. They're after me secretly because I'm about to steal your heart away with this install. Next step is to blow dry it until it gets a little bit tacky. Now I'm just gonna spray a little bit of the Got To Be freezing spray just over the top. It does come out quite quickly, and it can be a bit scary sometimes because I have got it in my eye before, so be careful guys with the spray. I let that dry for a few seconds, and now I'm just lining up the lace just in front of the glue gel, whatever it is. I'm trying not to use the base of my fingers to prevent it going white. And now I'm just going to blow dry it, slightly tapping with my nails. You can also use a tail comb or a pointy comb. Just don't put your hands on it. I sprayed a little bit of water on my edges to remove some of the gel that was in front of the unit. And I just wiped it off using a piece of my wig cap. But you can use a cloth. Right, so what I'm doing now is just using a toothbrush to bring out some baby hairs. Less is more really with the baby hairs. Using some scissors, just cut into a few of your baby hairs. Like I said, less is more. I'm using some thinning scissors, just taking it out a little bit. Repeat for both sides, making sure you have the edges you just made. Once that's all done, I'm now going to use my Got To Be. Everything's got to be in it. My Eco Styler and a toothbrush just to angle my baby hairs in like a semicircle, half moon sort of shape. Now I'm going to use my scarf to tie it down. So guys, we've opened our salon and you can find us at 212 Rye Lane Se15 4NL. To see how to create more looks with your full lace, click the link on the screen and it will take you to part 2. Thank you so much for watching guys. Please do like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.